He'll probably be the one to talk to you. What's going on though while I'm here?
There's a little boy
Okay.
in the hot tub right now. They're not staying here. I'm here vacationing from Maine with my boyfriend. And I think he's abducted and drugged.
Okay.
I can tell it's an RN by the way he's talking, everything. I said, honey, where, asking all the right questions. Where do you go to school? What are you going to go to college for? Is that your dad? Is that your brother? He says, no, I'm from the mafia. I tow phones and hit cars. He said that he has a pirate ship that they're on right now.
Okay.
And then the guy admitted that he was on methamphetamine. This little boy, I swear to God, as an RN, pretty sure he's abducted child.
Okay, can you go just make sure? I'll talk to you right here.
But I don't want no repercussions on me. I'm just doing my duty.
Alright.
So the little boy didn't know his name.
Okay.
He didn't know his age. He didn't know anything. And I feel...
So how long ago did this happen?
I literally...
Just now?
30 minutes we were talking, and I
talked
got
to
the
the kid?
vibe. Oh, I talked to the kid.
Alright. Were you in the hot tub with everybody?
Yes, I was.
And what did
I got all the
this guy
information.
say?
The guy said that he is on methamphetamine. I said, is he a victim of Stockholm syndrome? And he looked at me and said, yeah, from his captive.
Okay.
You know what that means?
Has people been drinking over there? Like, do you know if they're drinking any alcohol?
I mean, me and my boyfriend had a couple beers, but the kid didn't. But if you go look at that kid right now, I'm telling you as an RN.
They're talking to him, and we're going to see what's going on there.
As an RN, I know.
How do you know this person's homeless? Or is this person?
I asked them, I said, where do you live? They said, under bridges or on stairs. And the little boy was pushing him in a wheelchair, a grown-ass man. Nothing wrong with him, okay? Picked up everywhere. I'm an RN. He's on drugs. And I said, is this your dad? Is this your brother? Is this your uncle? No. I said, well, what is he? And he wouldn't tell me. I said, where do you go to school, buddy? All the right questions. Where do you go to school? He says, pirate school. I said, so what do you want to go to college for, Bill? I'm a nurse. I said, you want to be a doctor? You want to be a lawyer? He goes, no, I'm just, he goes, yeah, I'm telling you, something's wrong.
Well, we got called here. Okay.
These two guys were really strange.
Okay.
The kid and the boy. They said they're pirates and all kinds of shit. So we're gonna let people.
Yeah, let's go to 11.
Check out the IDs and everything. I have no idea. I think there's something really strange. They said they're from Alaska and they said they live out on a pirate ship.
Oh, yeah.
He's a meth head. Something like that.
I gotta just stand up. Are you like? Is there a problem?
No.
Here, I'll stand over here. Is there a problem? Do I need to leave or something?
No, he said, the gentleman asked me, the policeman asked me, he goes, you guys supposed to leave at 11:30. Yeah, we're doing it.
Yeah, just you go in there.
I'm good.
She's with you?
No.
Are you with him? No, you don't know him? Oh, okay. Yeah, you just hanging out in the pool? What room are you in here?
Why?
Huh?
Yeah.
What's his name?
Fiddless.
What's his name?
Fiddless.
You got a notepad?
Yeah, I do.
What room are you in?
I'm just gonna go.
No, that's not what I asked you. What room are you in?
I didn't answer it. I said I'm gonna go.
I heard you not answer me. That's why I'm talking to you.
We're leaving.
You're not leaving.
I'm detained?
Yeah, you are.
What crime?
Trespassing. You're not supposed to be here.
I'm on my way to my room.
No, you're not.
Jack my pen too.
Am I under arrest?
No, but you're detained. You're not leaving. Don't leave.
Yeah, you're not leaving.
You're not leaving.
All right, I'm staying right here.
Thank you.
We're trying to figure out what's going on with possible crime.
Okay, me and my son are on our way out
Verifying
here.
the Florida tax.
Okay, well, where are y'all staying at?
Yeah, where are you guys at?
So I don't have to answer any of your questions.
You do.
I copy.
No, I don't have to.
Valid.
Yes, you do.
2211.
Are you recording me?
I am. It's recorded.
Okay, that's good. That's good. We're on our way out of here.
You don't belong here, correct? You don't belong here? You don't have a room here.
What are you assuming about me?
You just said you don't have a room here.
You don't have a room
No,
here.
I never said that.
Yes, you did.
No, I never did. No, you don't. Yeah,
I do. It's right there.
Yeah,
See,
no,
it's
you
red.
don't.
It's recorded.
No. He asked me what room I was staying in. I said I'm on my way out of here. I'm leaving.
Yeah, because you said you don't have a room here. We're
I didn't
trying
say
to figure
that.
out where your room is.
That doesn't matter. I'm leaving. I'm on my way out.
Well, you're not leaving because
Not
you're detained.
Okay.
I'll just be detained, I guess.
Figure out what's going on here.
This can go easy. This can go hard. 100% up to you. 100% up to you. So we're going to try this again. Do you have a room here?
What crime?
I just brought him in as a visitor, so like if they
You just said you don't know him.
No,
What room are you in?
513. I just.
1301. You find out who's in room. What?
513. I'm not trying to get in. I just don't want the little babies to get in.
Well, that's why we're here.
No, I understand.
Is it a crime for a kid to be out here?
No, man. That's why we got called here to figure out what's going on.
Hypothetical crime that nobody's.
Bro, you're acting weird, man. The only reason we showed up is to figure out what's going on. There was no need for any of this. All you had to do was say, yeah, that's my son. Yeah, this is where I'm staying. Yeah, this is where I'm not staying. Hold on, man. I'm not finished.
Okay, I'm sorry.
And then we can go about our day. But no, not yet.
No.
But instead, we come here and you're instantly on 10. It makes no sense. I have no idea why you're on 10. No idea. All we're doing is asking questions. That's it.
Okay.
So yes, you are detained. If you as soon as we walk up, you don't belong here. You don't have a room here. You don't want to answer our questions. Then we got called for a suspicious incident with a kid. You're not going anywhere. It's simple. It's plain as day.
When will I be able to speak?
Now.
Okay, so you guys got here. It seemed odd. Hey guys.
Mm-hmm.
I've got this guy over here like whispering to you guys. I get up and I stand up and I say, do I need to leave? Have I offended? I don't know if I maybe.
Sure.
I don't know what the call was about.
A little aggressive.
So I'm curious.
Sure.
So I wasn't trying to be aggressive. Forgive me.
It's all right.
Forgive me. So I stand up. So I don't. It bothers me whenever somebody
Stay there for a minute.
is whispering and saying blah blah blah. And so I don't know if this guy called the cops. So I'm interested.
Somebody called the.
In being involved in the conversation.
So we don't know exactly who
okay,
called
so
the
I'm still
police.
talking. Remember, so I get up and then I present myself to you guys. And
You're
I say,
just telling me a story that I was a part of.
So,
I get it.
okay.
Yeah, I was here. I was here for that.
None of that.
No, I was here for that.
Crime.
No, you're telling me a story. I was a part of that story. You don't need to.
Do I need to leave? Am I
No.
still detained? What's the crime?
Yes.
What is the crime?
Oh, you're trespassing. I
I'm
just
not
explained it to
trespassing.
you. You are. You don't have a room here.
That's what you think. You don't know that.
You didn't answer my question, so
I
all
don't
can
have
go
to
off
answer your question. I do not have to answer your question.
Yeah. You do. You do. Because if you're trespassing, then you do.
You just said you were not.
Can I take my son to my room? You guys want to escort us?
What room is it?
It's up the stairs.
Oh shit. What room is it?
Why is it so important that I answer that? Is that part of a crime? Is that an investigation? You're
Yes,
investigating?
man. We're here for an we're here for an investigation.
Okay, so I'm staying in a room up there. It's what room are we in? 420? I don't know. 416? It's. You want me to take you up there? You want me to walk into my room?
Yeah, what's up?
I don't know. These guys are just like wanting to arrest me because like piracy or something. I don't know.
Yeah, I just, I don't know. I don't know anything about it, bro. I'm sorry.
Do you know her?
No, we met. No, I'm down here visiting from Maine.
Yeah, no, I know. You just talked to me and you were talking to me.
Yeah, I know. So I just came over here to see what.
Are you with them?
No, I'm from Honey.
Oh, you're the one that called?
You're the one that called? Oh,
I got you. I have no idea. I have no idea what's going on.
Well, so what is the deal? Are you guys going to arrest me, or are you guys going to walk me up to my room and make sure that I'm staying here, or what is it? How do I alleviate you guys' suspicions?
All right, so now I can explain to you what's going on because we're a little bit calmer now, right?
Let's be calm.
Are we calm?
Sure, yeah.
All right, so we're here for an investigation.
Okay.
People believe that your son was acting weird. If this is who you say your son is. They believe that your son was acting weird along with you.
So is acting weird is a crime, or?
No. That's why I said we're here for an investigation. I don't know how many more times I have to say it, but we're here investigating, right? People take kids. People thought that this kid was taken. What's his name? What's his first name?
You said your name was Phyllis.
No, his last name's Phyllis. Nothing to do with us, girl.
What's his name? Last name? Turn around, man. Put your money back. You're detained for now until we figure out what the hell's going on.
So,
Have a seat. Up against the wall. Have a seat.
you want me to have a seat?
Have a seat, bro.
Can I just?
Before I make you have a seat.
I don't want to be made. I've got a bad knee.
Okay, so then have a seat at your own discretion before I make you have a seat.
I don't.
Have a seat.
I don't, dude.
One more time. Have a seat.
I've got a bad knee.
Have
I'm
a
telling you.
Have a seat.
I've got a bad knee.
What?
Sorry. My emotions.
I know. We're just trying to figure out this whole thing. What room is your girl in? What, his mom?
I believe it's 416.
416.
Yeah.
What's your first name, man?
My name is.
Last name?
What? Am
You
I
are
arrested?
detained, bro. If you don't give me your name, you go to jail for
For what?
providing false. Or not providing
No,
false,
I
for
haven't provided a false.
It would be resistant arrest.
resisting without violence. Thank you.
No, you already used the violence. That was you. That was you that put violence
Right.
on me.
You
I
would
told
be going to jail for resisting without violence.
Yeah, that was you that did the violence. Remember?
Okay.
You were the violent one.
I mean, you cool?
Yeah, we're fine. I'll talk to you.
Can I just get your name, Corey?
I would rather just go up to my room.
Well, you gotta, until we're done with this, until we can alleviate some of these questions.
And my name is
gotta
gonna alleviate your worries. What worries are those? What I'm still unsure of the crime that I've committed, or like why I'm here in
right
handcuffs.
now we're investigating maybe
Why I've had
kidnapping.
violence inflicted on me by this guy here? Who is the superior officer here? Are you a sergeant? Is there a sergeant
I'm
here?
not a sergeant.
You're the sergeant? Seriously? Wow. You guys need to reconsider. You couldn't wait for him to get a seat. I told you my knee was injured.
Did I explain to you what was going on?
I was just trying to explain to you that my knee is hurt.
But I don't play. I'm not.
You don't play. You just hurt people. Because what? Officer safety or something? The guy in handcuffs that was standing here and cooperating with your knee. Yeah, that was a little bit much, but anyway, the name's the date of birth is. Yeah, you're welcome, coward.
What is?
No, it's cowards with a C. Yeah, that's how you spell coward.
What's your middle name? And what?
Can I sit in the chair?
You want me to help you and sit in the chair? I'll help you sit in the chair.
Thanks, sir.
Step on up. There you go. There you go. And what state you ID out of?
It's out of Arkansas.
Arkansas. You still live there?
Yeah.
I got you. You're on vacation?
Yes. I'm
This
sorry.
whole night just crashing down on you?
No, that was that guy that crashed down on me. What's his name, officer? Can I get your name? Rosario, and your badge number? Thank you, sir. I appreciate you guys recording all this. I don't want to disrespect you or your profession. I just
got here, man.
Yeah, and I don't want to just like be an asshole about it, but I feel that sometimes cops use violence against people for no reason.
All right. So, do you want?
You don't gotta say. If
You're
you want
not
to
on.
say something, you can. It don't matter.
So,
whatever.
I'm just watching what I say, just because you're in handcuffs right now, and I don't want to violate any of your rights. All right. That's why I'm not asking you no crazy questions. All right. But since we're here and we're talking about it, all right, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say may be used as evidence against you.
And I can
All
say
right.
things or I cannot say things.
Okay. You have the right to attorney. If you can't afford an attorney, won't be appointed to represent you. Okay. Do you wish to answer any questions?
Am I under arrest?
Right now, no.
I mean, I can answer. What do you want to ask me?
So, do you have any idea why we're here?
No.
Did you have any conversation with some lady in the hot tub?
Yeah, we were talking. We were bullshitting around. We were talking shit. Like I was like working on my comedy.
Well, she's very concerned because somebody said that y'all were homeless, living on a pirate ship, going to pirate school.
Yeah. That's all part. It's called comedy. It's like it's called bullshit.
So anyway, that's what we got called here for, man. And she's concerned, and she was thinking that some of this, I mean, human trafficking is like a real deal.
I get it.
So she was concerned. So that's why we're
now
here.
I've been forced onto the ground by some man's knee. Whenever I was trying to, I mean, he couldn't wait for you to bring this chair over. That was fucking.
I don't think he saw the chair, man. I don't know. But I was trying to get you the chair. You know, I was trying to be cool with you.
Yeah. I mean,
and sit you down. You know, because this doesn't have to be anything crazy.
Well, it's going to be. I mean, what's going to happen here is that I'm going to like request you guys' body cam footage, and this shit is going to go to like to the internet. And that man there, what was his name, Officer DP, is going to look like a fool for all of the world to see. I mean, it's embarrassing.
Do you know her, or y'all just acquaintances, friends?
We just met in the hot tub today.
Okay. All right. So you came here with your wife?
Yeah, I'm here with my
Wife,
family. I've got my
kid.
wife and I've got 3 kids, and I'd like to go back to my room.
Yeah.
Hi, can you just step out here really quick? Is there anybody else in the room with you?
My daughter.
Your daughter? Do you have a son?
Yeah. I have 2 sons.
Okay. Are both sons here with you?
No, one's not here.
One's not here. One's downstairs with his dad?
Yeah.
What's dad's name? What's son's name? Okay.
What's going on?
Well, I guess dad is down there. He was being weird. To other people that were here, was being weirdly suspicious, and they thought that he kidnapped his son. They thought he was a kidnapped boy. And then when we show up, they don't want to answer any questions, and they think it's funny.
Scared me to death. I thought it was terrible. You had
So right now downstairs, your husband's in handcuffs. He's not arrested, but just not
Trying to
listening.
figure out what's going on.
We're trying to
in the situation.
we showed up and we're just asking
He
questions.
won't tell us what room he's in.
When-
He won't answer any questions. People are worried about your son, who's hitting his son,
Right.
but he won't tell us that. And so they're thinking something's
Right,
going on with the
right.
kid. You know, and that's why
They
we
were
got
thinking
called.
something's going on with the kid because your son thought it was funny to play along with his dad about him being abducted.
So they watch a lot. They watch a lot of that civil rights
Yeah, your son told me.
movie or not
Yeah.
movie.
Like
You
auditors.
know,
stuff, yeah.
yes, First Amendment auditors and
Yeah.
things like that, and so they, I guess, exercise their First Amendment right to not say anything, which I ain't at all either.
So if I'm
especially in
showing up for
situation
a
like
kidnapping
this.
situation,
Yeah, we're
and
showing
then
up for something.
and then your husband tells me he's not staying here, so I said, okay, so then you're trespassing, and then he says I'm not trespassing because I'm staying here. So it gets weird really quick.
Why would he say that?
I don't trust me. I don't know. I have no reason to lie. This thing rolls 24/7. So
We don't know.
Yeah.
so can you come
Yeah,
downstairs?
let me grab my rope.
That way you can.
What happened to Officer Rosario, the guy that threw me on the ground? Is he still around? Or?
He just does not want to be out here.
I don't blame him. That's
Because
pretty-
y'all don't
yeah, 'cause he's a
have-
coward, yeah.
So, she came to get your son.
And what am I doing?
We're figuring that out right now.
All right, Corey, I'm gonna take you out of those, man.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
All big misunderstanding, man.
Y'all got some kind of ID number or something?
We have ID numbers, but I don't know like everybody's.
Or what his number is. Being honest with you. But there's only one Rosario.
Well, I'm not gonna give it to you guys, but send him the bird for me. Just somehow, I'll flip it that way so that you guys, it's not towards you all. But I appreciate y'all being a little bit more humane. And
All right, Corey. But you understand why we're here? Because I know it's comedy. I know it's comedy, but she's at a level of intoxication to where she believes everything
Yeah,
you
so
said
I'm-
was
She's
real.
thinking your kid is
I'm
kidnapped.
in
Does that
trouble
make sense?
because she's intoxicated. I get it. Yeah, that's cool. I get the violence for her intoxication. I understand. I understand completely.
All right. Have a good night, man.